Hey, good evening, everybody. I got a package here from Dallas Rife in spirit of the UDX crew. I'm not a part of it, but he said, he wanted me to make sure that you guys understood that this is kind of how they operate. They kind of help one another out and just benevolent to one another. And he's seen me struggling on my YouTube channels, and he's been super helpful with me, and we've been talking a lot. And he says, "I got you, man. I'm gonna send you over some equipment, and it's gonna get your system and your equipment and your wires and your radios tuned properly." So he's been sending me videos and stuff, and to get better at all my shortcomings with radio. But here's this his goodie box. This it's like Christmas for me, so I was holding off. We've been trying to get a time where him and I could just kind of get on like a chat where we can video it together, but I'm just going to video my unboxing of it. I did open this prior to this video, but this is the first time me looking at it. So without further ado, this is what he's been sending me. We got some ferrite beads. Said got a whole bunch of them. These look like big boys too. So those are going to help with common mode current. These are some jumpers that they look like they were custom made. And what is this made of? What is this? RG213. Some more RG213 jumpers. He packaged this very well. Dang, look at this bad boy. That is a CN901 SWR and power meter. Cross needle SWR power meter by Daiwa. That looks really nice with these rubber feet on either side. And he wrote right here, antenna and radio on here. Obviously, I don't think I'm keeping all this. I think he's helping me tune all my equipment. So I'll be sending this back to him. But that's nice. I need one of those. Let me move some of this bubble wrapping. Dallas has been one of the guys telling me, buy once, cry once. Don't just get the crappy equipment and half-ass it. So he obviously has some nice stuff here. Oh, this is the MFJ. This is really nice. I've seen this on YouTube. The MFJ 269D. So I'm going to be tuning some antennas and radios and coax with this. This is just an initial unboxing to show you what he sent me. Another video is going to be me actually using it. All right, let's see, one more box in here. Okay. I know this isn't exciting for you guys, but for someone like me that just kind of fumbles through stuff and fails and learns and fails and learns, it's nice to have some actual real equipment that I can do things right. Oh yeah. So he saw me throw my antenna up into a tree, and he goes, let me give you something right. This is a true Balun. This is a Maxi Core 20 DXE MC20 1-to-1. So it's a 1-to-1 Balun. It's a 1.8 to 54 megahertz by DX Engineering. He says I think he only put it up for maybe a year. Took it back down. Looks like it's in great shape. So when I mentioned one of my videos, I was also going to do use my slingshot to shoot the wire over 2 extra trees and then draw up an antenna in the middle of my yard, possibly for like an inverted V antenna. He says this is what I want to use, and you know, I went and bought my own wire separately to connect to these for its legs, and it can take a 50 ohm coax as well, so that's really exciting. And then he said he threw in some extras for me as well, some liquid electrical tape for some of the connections, some of these L's, some SO239 and PL259 L's, some zip ties, and a whole bunch of extra goodies in here. Looks like you got some regular ring terminal connectors, some copper ring terminal connectors. I was making some bonding straps out of them, some double-sided Velcro or hook and loop. And these, if I want to make my own antenna, I've seen these. And some heat shrink, some black and red heat shrink. I don't even know what this one is. This is a connector of some sort. Looks to a 3.5 millimeter jack of some kind. So we're gonna get on a call. That's a BNC. So we're gonna get on the call, Dallas and I. He's gonna walk me through all this stuff, and we're gonna tune some coax jumpers. We're gonna tune an antenna up in there. We're gonna tune my mobile rig. We're gonna tune my base station rig with this equipment. I threw some DX Engineering stickers in there. And what's this? This is a letter from Dallas Rife. I don't know if I should read this because I haven't read it yet on air, but I'm gonna say, maybe I'll cut this out if it's too personal. Here's a few everyday items I find helpful. Good luck with the dipole build. It's a pleasure to find someone passionate about radio. We need more and more good operators on the air, sharing knowledge through available outlets and helping out when we can. My penmanship is horrible or terrible. We're also used to typing or texting. 73's Dallas Rife, UDX 347 in Tennessee, with a big iron on my hip. Love it. If you guys heard Dallas Rife on the air, if you've seen his setup, it is ridiculous. He's pushing power and through a huge beam on a 50-foot tower, just done perfectly with his grounding and bonding and tuning, and his SWRs are fantastic. All of it is just done exquisitely. So obviously I have that to look up to, and I have someone, I'm lucky to have someone like him to just look out, and he wanted me to make sure that that was the UDX crew is kind of how they help one another out, and I'm lucky enough to have him forward this stuff to me, and so maybe, you know what, so it's not, I'm not passing bad information on as well. So it's helping the community out. So if he helps me, I want to put this information out there. I like to put all my musings and all my trial and error in the radio here on YouTube. And if I do it right, then I can put good information out there, better information out there. So I'm really appreciative for Dallas and the UDX crew, and I look forward to, and I hope you guys look forward to seeing me putting this all to good use. And trust me, I'll make videos on all of it. So thanks for sitting in on this unboxing, and till next time, 73.